Hey guys, happy Wednesday. We got something really cool today. We got the spoiler for the 2020 Supra. We ordered it a couple months back. Come on in, let's check it out. We're gonna do an unboxing on it. I haven't even seen it yet myself. So, this is a Seibon full carbon fiber spoiler. Takes them a while to make these. I mean, we ordered it a couple months back. So, we're gonna try and open this thing up and not scratch the carbon fiber, because we don't want to fix that ourselves. We definitely don't want to send this back and wait another 3-4 months to get it. Let's see what this looks like. I'm so excited. This, along with we got the downpipes for the 2020 Supra and the tune. We just haven't had a chance to put it on yet, but all that stuff will be on for car show season. Alright, so we're really close here. So far, haven't messed it up. We're not gonna have to, Mike, our chief fabricator, is not gonna have to redo anything here. Wow! Look at that. This is like a throwback to the, it's called the I think it's an A80 Supra spoiler. This one's fully carbon fiber. This thing is so light. Hand make this. Wow. Perfect condition. No scratches or chips. Look at that. So we got the 2020 Supra back in the bay. We got the Seibon spoiler here. We're about to put it on. Might shed a little bit of a tear drilling into the trunk lid in this thing, but check this out. Watch us put this thing on. Alright guys, we just got done with the spoiler on the 2020 Supra. It looks so awesome. Fully carbon fiber, really nice and sturdy. Put some protection on there so it doesn't scratch the vehicle. Let us know what you guys think. Next week we're doing another special install. A new downpipe. This is gonna sound so good, a lot of pops, and you're gonna love it. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments. Stay tuned.